Hai Memser, Ni Hao Shen Shen Tai Tai, Salam Ibu Bapak, Wateming Cese Santi Mira, you can call me Santi, 30 years old married, I have one child. My experience in Saudi 7 years, from 2017 until 2024. My job is take care children 2 years, prefer clothes, feeding, give meal, showering, and company to play. I can do general housework, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I can cook Indonesia food, orek tempe, ayam kecap, tumis kangkung, sop ayam. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family. Now I am in the kitchen. This is kitchen set. Bowl, plate, spoon, fork, knife. Finish. You bye. Cek cek.